Maganda ang pasok ng taong 2025 kay Michael Sager, 22, na leading man ni Jillian Ward GMA7 primetime series na My Ilonggo Girl. Si Michael ay co-managed artist ng Sparkle, ang talent management arm ng GMA, at ng Cornerstone Entertainment, ang talent management company ni Erickson Raimundo. It's an important reminder to really be thankful for this, saad ni Michael sa oportunidad na binigay ng Kapuso Network. I thank the Lord every day, and I'm grateful and I don't want to take it for granted. Unexpected itong My Ilonggo Girl, but masaya ako. And for me, it's just a reminder to really give it my all kasi sayang ang opportunity. I mean, the network entrusted me with such a big project, partner ko pa si Jill. Michael Sager on Bashers. Sa kabilang banda, aminado si Michael na nakakaranas rin siya ng kritisismo sa kanyang pag-arte. Siguro that's something I'm very careful about kasi yung acting ko, iyon yung ginagawa ko, iyon yung craft ko. So, I don't really take it in such a negative light. I just look at what I have to look at and accept. Sinabi din ni Sir Erickson sa akin, yung manager ko sa Cornerstone, he said, when you look at Bashers, para hindi ka ma-stress, yung nababasa mo, if important talaga, it will reach you. And that really affected me. Kasi siguro minsan madadali ka, hindi naman daw maiiwasan na minsan ay masaktan siya dahil tao lang daw siya. Pero di ni Michael, so ako, kung may criticism, yes. And then positive na lang para mas magtuloy-tuloy na lang yung energy. Michael Sager on break from GMA7. Gusto ni Michael na ma-maximize ang binigay na break sa kanya ng GMA7. Lalo pat magkasunod ang seryeng ibinigay sa kanya. Kakatapos lamang ng Shining Inheritance, isang Pinoy adaptation sa 2009 K-drama na pinagbidahan nina Han Hyo-joo at Lee Seung-gi. Sa GMA7 version, katambal ni Michael si Kate Valdez. Patuloy ni Michael, so sabi ko, there's no time to waste na. It's my time to really step up, and do better in my craft. Lahat ng mga comments sa mga past work ko, sa Shining Inheritance, binabasa ko lahat so that I can really improve. Kasi kung nababash man ako, I don't want to see it super negatively. I want to see it positively na, okay, that's where I can improve, and that's what I want to apply.